Good evening students, welcome to class 7th maths on my YouTube channel. Now let us begin practice set 48 on textbook page number 90. Look at the question number first one figure. You have to draw the figure this on your notebook. Okay. Length of LM is side 1. Length of MN is side 2. Okay. Segment LM is side 1. Segment MN is side 2. Okay. Angle M is, here is the angle M. Okay. Angle M is 90 degree, which I put here 90 degree symbol. Side opposite to the right angle triangle is segment LN. So segment LN is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means the side opposite to the right angle triangle is the hypotenuse. Side 1 and side 2 is given here, number. Okay. Hypotenuse is not given. Segment LN you have to find. So you have to segment LN here given x value. You have to find the x value by using the Pythagoras theorem formula. So now let us begin the sum. Here in figure what is given, which segment, which side is given, and right angle triangle where it is given, that all which is given here in the figure you have to write first, all the given things. In triangle LMN, measure angle M is equal to 90 degree. Length of LM is equal to side 1. This I have taken it as side 1. Length of LM is equal to side 2. This I have taken side 2. LM is given 7 and MN is given 24. Length of LN, hypotenuse, is equal to x. You have to find hypotenuse here by using the Pythagoras theorem formula. So now let us start the sum. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. This is the formula. Okay. You have to write this formula on your notebook and you have to buy this formula. Length of Ln square is equal to length of Lm square plus length of Mn square. Okay. Ln is the hypotenuse, Lm is the side 1 and Mn is side 2. According to Pythagoras theorem formula, I wrote this segment here by here formula wise here what is given, and here hypotenuse which place is there, side 1 and side 2 which place is there, that place only outright that segment here, and square of it also. X square is equal to 7 square plus 24 square. X square is equal to 7 square means 7 multiplied by 7. Okay. Square of 7 means 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49 plus square of 24. 24 square means 24 into 24. Answer is getting 576. If you don't know here, I have done your multiplication. Okay. Look carefully. X square is equal to 625. X is equal to square root of 625. Here square symbol which is there here, when you remove this square here it becomes square root. Okay. X is equal to 25 units. Square root of 625 is 25 because 25 into 25 is 625. Square of the number is 600 and square of 25 is 625. Okay. Square root of 625 is 25 units. Therefore, length of Ln is equal to hypotenuse is equal to 25 units. Look here, I have done here 25 into 25 here. Answer getting 625. When you are finding the square root, which number is going the square of the number table here? Square root you have to write this number one time here, which is going. Now look at the second figure of question number first. Okay. segment PQ is side 1 and segment QR is side 2. Side 2 is not given, side 2 you have to find. And segment VR is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse given 41. Angle Q is 90 degree. Now the side opposite to the 90 degrees segment PR. So this is the hypotenuse. Okay. Segment PQ and segment QR are the two sides forming the right angle. Straight it is coming here. And this side, no, it is not coming straight here. So angle Q is 90 degree. Side opposite to the 90 degrees hypotenuse. And that is segment PR. Hypotenuse is gone 41. Side 1 is gone 9. That is segment PQ. Side 2 segment QR you have to find. What is given in figure, that you have tried all given. Okay. So let us begin now. In triangle PQR, measure angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Length of PQ is equal to side 1 is equal to 9. Length of QR is equal to side 2 is equal to x. Length of PR is equal to hypotenuse is equal to 41. Now just now what I explained on figure here, that all things you have to write first. And then you have to use the Pythagoras theorem formula. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. For hypotenuse you can write short form here. Okay. Length of PR square is equal to length of PQ square plus length of QR square. Okay. Hypotenuse square is length of PR square is equal to side 1 square is length of PQ square plus side 2 square is length of QR square. Now find side 2 over here. That is 41 square. Length of PR is 41. Okay. 41 square is equal to length of PQ is 9. 9 square plus x square. X square is equal to 41 square minus 9 square. When you are finding the side 2 over here, side 2 when you are finding, it becomes subtraction. Side 2 square is equal to hypotenuse square minus side 1 square. This is the formula of side 2 square. Okay. When you are taking 41 square on the right side over here, it becomes subtraction. When you find other side, x square is equal to 41 square minus 9 square it become. X square is equal to 41 into 41. I have multiplied here. Square of 41 is 1681 minus 9 square. 9 9s are 81. Okay. 1681 minus 81, subtract it now. I have subtracted also. Answer is getting 1600. So x square is equal to 1600. Now remove the square symbol. It become x. X is equal to, when you remove the square symbol here it become square root. Okay. X is equal to square root of 1600. 40 into 40, square of 40 is 1600 and square root of 1600 is only 40. Square of the number which is going here, and when you find the square root of this number, you have to write this one time here which is going. X is equal to 40 units. Therefore, length of QR is equal to side 2 is equal to 40 units. Now we will do next sum. Look at the third figure on question number first. Okay. Side forming the right angle you have to tell. Segment DE and segment DF. These are the two sides forming the right angle. Okay. Side 1 is DF. DF is given 8. Again you have to find here side 2. Segment DE. Okay. Here angle D is given 90 degree. Okay. Angle D is 90 degree. 90 degree here which is given here, angle D. Side opposite to it is segment EF. This is segment EF. Okay. Angle D is 90 degree. Side opposite to the 90 degree is segment EF and it is hypotenuse. Okay. This is side 1 and this is side 2. So now we'll do the sums after explaining two sums. In triangle DEF, measure angle D is equal to 90 degree. Length of DF is equal to side 1 is equal to 8. Length of DE is equal to side 2 is equal to x. Length of FE is equal to hypotenuse is equal to 17. Okay. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. After doing these two sums, you should remember this formula and you should know the by heart. Otherwise, you have to write it on your notebook. Got it, students? Length of FE square is equal to length of DF square plus length of DE square. FE square is hypotenuse, DF square is side 1 and DE square is side 2. Okay. So you have to find side 2 square again. 17 square is equal to 8 square plus x square. Okay. X square, take it on the left side because you have to find the value of x. When you find second side here, always you have to take it any value of x. When you are finding, you have to take it on the left side when you are finding second side also. Okay. Side 2 square is equal to hypotenuse square minus side 1 square. When you are taking 17 square on the right side, it becomes subtraction. X square is equal to 17 square minus 8 square. X square is equal to square of 17. 17 into 17, answer is getting 289 minus 8 square. 8 8s are 64. If you don't know multiplication, I have multiplied here. Look carefully. And then you have to subtract. X square is equal to 289 minus 64 is getting 225. Now you have to remove the square symbol. X is equal to square root of 225. Square root of 225 is 15. X is equal to 15 units. Therefore, length of DE is equal to side 2 is equal to 15 units. Why square root of 225 is 15? Because 15 15s are 225. Square root of 225 is 15. Now we will do second main question. In the right angle triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 90 degree. If length of PQ is equal to 24 centimeter and length of PR is equal to 10 centimeter, find the length of segment QR. Here I have drawn this figure. Okay. Segment PQ is side 1, segment PR is side 2. Okay. Segment QR you have to find. Segment QR is hypotenuse because angle P is 90 degree. Angle, I am repeating again, angle P is 90 degree. Side opposite to the 90 degrees segment QR. So segment QR is hypotenuse. You have to find the hypotenuse here, that is segment QR, which I put a question mark. Okay. In triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 90 degree. What is given on question and in figure which I have drawn here, that all you have to write. Length of PQ is equal to side 1 is equal to 24 centimeter. Length of PR is equal to side 2 is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay. You have to find length of QR. Length of QR is equal to hypotenuse is equal to question. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Length of QR square is equal to length of PQ square plus length of PR square. Okay. Length of QR square is hypotenuse. Length of PQ square is side 1 square plus length of PR square is side 2 square. Okay. Length of QR square is equal to PQ, what number is given that you have to write, is equal to 24 square plus PR what number is given, that you have to write. 10 square. Length of QR square is equal to 24 square plus 10 square. Length of QR square is equal to 24 into 24. Square of 24 is 576 plus square of 10. 10 tens are 100. 576 plus 100, now you have to add. Length of QR square is equal to 676 getting after adding. So look at the picture here on the top of it, which I have done here. Square of the number here which I multiplied and I added also. Now length of QR, when you are finding length of QR, here square which is there here, you have to remove this square here and here it becomes square root. Okay. Length of QR is equal to square root of 676. Length of QR is equal to 26. Therefore, length of QR is equal to hypotenuse is equal to 26 centimeter. You have to solve this sum like this. This is very easy method. Please do it. (26 into 26 is 676. Okay. Square of 26 is 676. Square root when you find, it become 26. We will do next sum. Question number 3rd. In the right angle triangle LMN, angle M is equal to 90 degree if length of LM is equal to 12 centimeter and length of LN is equal to 20 centimeter. Find the length of segment MN. Okay. Side 1 is given. Yeah. Segment segment LM is side 1. Okay. LM is given 12 centimeter. Side 2 is segment MN. Side 2 you have to find. Okay. Then length of LN is 20 centimeter. Hypotenuse is given. Angle M is 90 degree. Look here. Angle M is 90 degree. Side opposite to the 90 degrees, segment LN. So segment LN is hypotenuse. So let's begin now. In triangle LMN, comma, measure angle M is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Length of LM is equal to side 1 is equal to 12 centimeter. Length of MN is equal to side 2 is equal to question mark, means you have to find side 2. Length of LN is equal to hypotenuse is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay. So here MLM which I give here, it is angle symbol. Okay. Remember this. This symbol L which is there, this is angle symbol. In italic on computer, italic letter you can find here angle L like this symbol. So please correct the mistake. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Length of Ln square is equal to length of Lm square plus length of Mn square. Okay. Length of Ln square is hypotenuse square is equal to length of Lm square is equal to side 1 square plus length of Mn square is equal to side 2 square. Okay. 20 square is equal to 12 square plus length of Mn square. You have to find length of Mn square. Side Mn you have to find side 2 square. Okay. Length of Mn square, take it on the left side which you are finding. Side 2 square is equal to hypotenuse square minus side 1 square. This is the formula. When you are finding side 2, when you are taking on the left side here, side 2, it become hypotenuse square minus side 1 square. So 20 square which is there on the left side, when you take on the right side, it becomes subtraction. Length of Mn square is equal to 20 square minus 12 square. Length of Mn square is equal to 20 square is 20 multiplied by 20 is 400 minus 12 square. 12 12s are 144. Look at the picture on the top. I have done here. Now 400 minus 144 subtracted. Here I have subtracted here. Answer is getting 256. Length of Mn square is equal to 256. Now remove this square symbol here. Length of mn is equal to, after removing square symbol, here it becomes square root. Length of mn is equal to square root of 256. Length of mn is equal to 16 centimeter. Okay, 16 16s are 256. Therefore, length of mn is equal to side 2 is equal to 16 centimeter. I have done here 16 into 16. Answer is getting 256. Now I will do the last sum. Question number 4. The top of a ladder of length 15 meter reaches a window 9 meter above the ground. What is the distance between the base of the ladder and that of the wall? Let AC is equal to ladder is equal to side 1. Okay, this is segment AC and this is ladder. Okay, the top of a ladder of length 15 meter. Ladder is given 15 meter. So this is hypotenuse. Okay, angle B is 90 degree. Side opposite to the 90 degrees, segment AC. So this is hypotenuse. The ladder which is there is hypotenuse. AB is equal to hall. This is the hall. This A is the window. B is the base of the wall. C is the foot of the ladder. You have to find this distance between the base of the ladder and that of the wall. And that of the wall means foot of the wall. BC is the distance between the foot of the ladder and that of the wall. This is BC. This is the distance between the foot of the ladder and that of the wall. Okay. So segment BC you have to find. Segment BC which you are finding here, this is side 2. Side 1 which is there here, AB, this is all. Okay. And hypotenuse is ladder. So let us begin the sum. Let BC is equal to side 2 is equal to x meter. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. Length of AC square is equal to length of AB square plus length of BC square. Okay, AC is length of AC square is hypotenuse square is equal to length of AB square is equal to side 1 square plus length of BC square is equal to side 2 square. 15 square is equal to 9 square plus length of BC square. Length of BC square is equal to 15 square minus 9 square. You are finding side 2 square. BC square you have to take it on the left side. Side 2 square is equal to hypotenuse square minus side 1 square. Okay. Length of BC square is equal to 15 square is 15 into 15, 225 minus 9 nines are 81. I have done your multiplication. 15 into 15 here answer is getting 225. Okay. 225 minus 81, subtract it now. Here I have subtracted. So answer is getting 144. 225 minus 81, answer is getting 144. Length of BC square is equal to 144. Now remove this square symbol. Length of BC is equal to, after removing square symbol, here becomes square root. You have to put square root here. Length of BC is equal to square root of 144. Length of BC is equal to 12 meter. Therefore, the distance between the base of the wall and that of the ladder is 12 meter. If you like this maths teaching video lesson, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.